Trains, jabs, and bacon. Here are our travel headlines from around the globe this week. Luxury train company Rocky Mountaineer launched its first ever US journey this week. The Rockies to the Red Rocks trip from Utah to Denver takes in vast canyons and mesmerizing deserts. Tourism Australia launched a vaccination campaign to encourage Aussies to support the travel industry. The country set a new daily record this week with almost 200 COVID-19 vaxxes administered per minute. We give this 2 big jabs up. Speaking of jabs, Singapore has become the first country to have over 70% of its population fully vaccinated. Is that the sound of a travel bubble opening in our future? And in other random news, in the US, Carnival Cruise Line is having to enforce limits on bacon. Yes, the cured meat. Moving to an every other day bacon schedule in order to deal with shortages with its supplier. And that's our latest travel news. Share if you like this and stay up to date by following us on all our social channels.